Moody spoke positively about the Government of National Unity's pursuit of structural reforms to ease bottlenecks with a view to growing the economy at a more accelerated pace. However, it had yet to see these efforts taking hold and making a difference in the economy. Economic observers say Moody's keeping the rating unchanged was to be expected.
We still think that in the next few years there may very well be upgrades to South Africa's credit rating, especially if we take into account the significant improvement in South Africa's debt-GDP ratio relative to when Moody's placed us on this current rating. Having said that, while Moody's acknowledges the positive reform momentum in South Africa, it would like to see more evidence of the boost that this provides to trend growth, with this positive spillover into the fiscal trajectory before it actually takes some credit rating action.
National Treasury said it welcomed Moody's decision and its positive and constructive analysis of the country's economic issues, adding that it continued to push 4 pillars to help turn the fortunes of the economy around. These include maintaining macroeconomic stability, implementing structural reforms, building state capacity, and supporting growth-enhancing public infrastructure investment programs. But one market analyst noted Moody's concerns about the lack of growth so far.
Moody said that they think it's going to be low going forward as well, unfortunately. So expectations of a big recovery in our GDP numbers are not unfortunately there. One thing to be noted was that they thought the strength of our central bank was quite important, as well as our judiciary. So institutions in South Africa are quite strong. I mean, there's no things that saves us from replicating what we've seen in other parts of the continent and other parts of the world as well.
Barring any unexpected headwinds that may impact the South African economy, there seems to be a higher level of confidence around the future economic trajectory of the country. But that's also based on the execution of the work that needs to be done to bring a turnaround to fruition. Nompumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.